Imagine there's a young, ambitious entrepreneur named Alex. Alex dreams of starting a business, just like many of us. But there's a catch: they don't have all the capital needed to kickstart that dream venture. Alex faces a dilemma: should they take on debt to pursue their passion, or should they wait until they have saved up enough? For most of us, debt can be intimidating and associated with financial stress. We tend to avoid it as much as possible, fearing the burden it may bring. However, the wealthy approach debt with a strategic mindset. They view it as a tool to create opportunities and expand their wealth. Instead of seeing debt as a hindrance, they recognize its potential to generate returns that outpace borrowing costs. Debt becomes a powerful resource when managed wisely. Let me give you an example to illustrate this concept. Imagine you have a business idea that you believe can change lives and create value for customers. But to turn your idea into reality, you need capital, and that's where debt comes in. By strategically taking on debt, you can accelerate the growth of your business, reach a broader market, and see returns much faster than if you had to wait until you save up all the necessary funds. That's the power of viewing debt as an opportunity rather than an obstacle. It empowers you to seize the moment, take calculated risks, and turn your dreams into reality. But remember, this doesn't mean diving into debt recklessly. It's about making well-informed decisions, understanding the potential risks, and aligning your debt strategy with your long-term financial goals. As we delve deeper into the strategies used by the rich to build wealth using debt, keep this mindset at the forefront: debt can be a stepping stone towards financial success. When it comes to real estate investment, the wealthy understand that using debt strategically can be a game changer. They secure loans to finance property acquisitions, which allows them to enter the real estate market with a smaller upfront investment. As property values appreciate over time, the wealthy benefit from the property's increased worth. The gains they make far outweigh the initial borrowing costs, making it a lucrative long-term investment. But here's where it gets even more interesting: rental income. The wealthy don't just rely on property appreciation, they also generate income from renting out their properties. The rental income received from tenants often covers a significant portion of the loan payments. In essence, the tenants contribute to the repayment of the debt while the property appreciates in value. This rental income not only helps offset the borrowing costs but also becomes a consistent source of cash flow for the wealthy. The more properties they own, the more income streams they create, contributing to their long-term wealth accumulation. Now, let's meet Jack, who focused on commercial real estate. He secured a loan to buy an office building in a prime location. The rental income from the office spaces more than covered his loan payments, allowing him to reinvest in more commercial properties. Jack's portfolio continued to grow, and he established himself as a successful real estate mogul with a diversified range of income-generating assets. These examples showcase how the wealthy utilize debt to multiply their real estate investments and unlock incredible wealth. They understand that real estate, combined with strategic debt, can be a potent combination for long-term financial success. You see, the wealthy understand that entrepreneurship requires more than just passion; it demands resources and capital. That's where debt comes in. They use it strategically to finance their business ventures, giving them the fuel they need to take off. By taking calculated risks and using debt responsibly, entrepreneurs can propel their businesses to new heights. Debt becomes a tool for expansion and innovation, helping them scale their operations and reach new markets. Meet Sarah, a driven entrepreneur with a groundbreaking tech startup. To develop her revolutionary product and bring it to market, she needed substantial funding. Sarah decided to secure a business loan, which provided her with the capital required to develop prototypes and launch her product. With persistence and hard work, Sarah's startup caught the attention of investors and customers alike, and her business skyrocketed. These success stories demonstrate how strategic debt utilization can serve as a catalyst for growth and success. By carefully weighing risks and understanding their financial capabilities, the wealthy entrepreneurs turn their dreams into thriving businesses. But it's essential to remember that entrepreneurship involves both victories and challenges. Debt comes with responsibilities, and it's crucial for entrepreneurs to have a solid business plan, a clear path to profitability, and a contingency strategy. In the next segment, we'll delve into another fascinating aspect of how the wealthy use debt to build their fortunes: asset-backed borrowing. This ingenious technique allows them to unlock even more opportunities for growth without sacrificing their existing assets. Asset-backed borrowing is a powerful tool where wealthy individuals use their existing assets as collateral to secure low-interest loans. Essentially, they pledge their assets, such as real estate, stocks, or valuable possessions, to obtain financing. This approach has numerous advantages. Firstly, it provides access to significant capital without the need to sell the assets. Imagine you own a valuable piece of real estate or a lucrative stock portfolio. Instead of liquidating these assets, which might result in substantial taxes or opportunity costs, you can leverage them to obtain a loan. By using asset-backed borrowing, the wealthy maintain ownership and control over their valuable assets while unlocking the potential to invest in new opportunities. This is especially beneficial for those seeking to diversify their investments or fund new business ventures without depleting their existing holdings. Another advantage of asset-backed borrowing is the ability to secure lower interest rates. Lenders view these loans as less risky, given the collateral provided. As a result, wealthy individuals can access capital at more favorable terms compared to unsecured loans. Asset-backed borrowing empowers the wealthy to leverage their valuable possessions as financial resources, giving them the flexibility to seize investment opportunities while retaining ownership and control over their assets. However, it's essential to exercise caution with this strategy. While asset-backed borrowing can open doors to growth, it also comes with risks. If borrowers default on the loan, they risk losing the collateral assets. Therefore, it's vital for the wealthy to engage in responsible financial planning and consider potential risks before opting for this approach. As we journey through the strategies of the wealthy, we mustn't forget the crucial aspect of risk management. While debt can be a powerful tool for building wealth, it's essential to tread carefully and manage risks effectively. The wealthy understand that taking on debt involves risks, and they approach it with a cautious mindset. They carefully assess their financial capabilities, evaluate potential returns, and consider the worst-case scenarios. By doing so, they make informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. One of the key ways the wealthy manage risk is through diversification. They spread their investments across different asset classes, industries, and markets. By doing so, they avoid putting all their eggs in one basket, reducing their exposure to the volatility of any single investment. Diversification acts as a shield against market fluctuations. When one investment experiences a downturn, the impact is lessened by the positive performance of other assets in the portfolio. This approach enhances overall financial stability and protects their wealth from significant losses. In addition to diversification across assets, the wealthy also diversify across geographical regions and industries. They recognize that different regions and industries might experience varying economic cycles, so diversifying globally adds another layer of risk management to their strategy. By combining risk management and diversification, the wealthy navigate the financial landscape with prudence and foresight. They build portfolios that are resilient to market fluctuations and external factors, ensuring steady growth over the long term. In our exploration of how the wealthy build their wealth using debt, it's crucial to understand the distinction between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, as we've discussed earlier, is strategic and investment-focused. It's debt taken on with a clear purpose, such as financing a business, investing in real estate, or expanding a portfolio of income-generating assets. The returns from these ventures outweigh the borrowing costs, making it a smart financial decision. On the other hand, bad debt is high interest and non-productive. It includes credit card debt, payday loans, and other forms of borrowing with high interest rates and no potential for long-term growth. Bad debt often results from impulsive spending or living beyond one's means, leading to a cycle of financial stress. The consequences of bad debt can be detrimental to one's financial well-being. High interest rates can quickly compound the debt, making it challenging to break free from the cycle of debt. This can lead to financial instability, stress, and limited opportunities for building wealth. The wealthy understand the risks associated with bad debt and prioritize making informed decisions. They carefully assess the potential returns and risks of any debt-based venture, ensuring that the borrowing aligns with their long-term financial goals. When it comes to debt, education and awareness are key. By understanding the difference between good and bad debt, individuals can make better financial choices and avoid the pitfalls that could hinder their path to financial success. As we conclude our exploration of how the wealthy build wealth using debt, it's essential to shed light on the crucial role of financial advisors and experts. Wealthy individuals often work closely with financial advisors to optimize their debt strategies and overall financial plans. These experts bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, helping the wealthy navigate the complexities of the financial world. A financial advisor can assess an individual's financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance to create a personalized debt management plan. By understanding their client's unique circumstances, financial advisors can recommend suitable debt-based investment opportunities that align with long-term aspirations. Professional guidance can assist in making well-informed decisions, especially when it comes to leveraging debt for wealth-building purposes. Financial advisors provide valuable insights into potential risks and returns, helping clients strike the right balance between opportunity and prudence. The wealthy understand that having a trusted advisor in their corner can make a significant difference in achieving their financial goals. It allows them to approach debt with confidence, knowing that they have a well-thought-out plan in place to seize opportunities and mitigate risks. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, an investor, or someone seeking to optimize your financial strategy, consider seeking the advice of a financial expert. With their guidance, you can build a solid foundation for wealth creation and set yourself on a path towards long-term financial prosperity. We've just explored the incredible strategies the wealthy use to build their fortunes using debt. It's time to embrace a mindset of calculated risks and responsible debt management, opening doors to financial success. But remember, knowledge and planning are the keys to making it big. Educate yourself, craft a solid financial plan, and stay focused on the long term. Disclaimers. Now, a quick word of caution. I'm not a financial advisor, and the info provided is purely for educational purposes. So, for personalized advice, consult a qualified financial professional. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Cliffs for more content on personal finance, investing, and building lasting wealth. Until next time, may all your financial dreams come true.